Hello everyone, welcome back to Think Lab by Saurabh. So in today's video, we are going to discuss one of the hottest topic in artificial intelligence. That is the context engineering versus prompt engineering and versus agentic engineering. So if you have been working with the ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or other any large language model, so you have probably heard the terms prompt engineering. So but in 2026, the AI industry is just rapidly changing beyond the prompt. So today we will understand the what is why prompt alone is no longer enough, and we will also explore the context engineering and the agentic engineering and how they are differ and why every AI engineer should learn them, right? So let's get started. So what is a prompt engineering? So prompt engineering is the process of designing the instructions that help AI model to generate better response. So a prompt can be simple as a questions, okay, or it can be include the detailed instructions, example, and different constraints. So for example, instead of asking explain the machine learning, you can write explain machine learning to beginner using the simple language and the real world examples. And the second prompt is much more specific, like as a result the AI produced as much better answer. Okay, so this is the main idea behind the prompt engineering. So they focus on the writing the better prompt. So why prompt engineering because become popular? So when chat gpt was released, people realized that the change just changing the prompt could just improve your output. So this technique such as like role prompting, few shot prompting, and the chain of thought prompting, and structural and a different structured prompting, okay, become very popular. So for example, prompt engineering seem like the ultimate solutions, okay. So but developers soon discover an important limitations. The problem with the prompt engineering is that even the best prompt has the limitation. So a prompt cannot give the model long term memory, right? A prompt cannot access the company document. A prompt cannot remember the previous conversations across the different sessions. So a prompt cannot tell the external tools unless the application provided those capability, right? And even the prompt cannot plan your execute the complete workflow. So this why modern AI system require much more than the prompt design. No, so now we are coming to the point. What is the context engineering? So context engineering focus on giving the AI the right information before the generate and respond. So instead of relying on the only on the prompt, we provide the additional context, right? So this context may include the user preference, previous conversation, knowledge based document, different RAG results, company policy, and the project file, and even also our database record. So this goal is very simple: give the AI the everything if it need to make the better decision. And think of it this way, right? So prompt engineering tell the AI what you want, right? But context engineering tell the AI what is it should know, right? So this is one of the biggest shift happening in AI today. So now we are going to discuss about the what is the agent engineering, right? So now let's move another step further. So agent engineering is more about the building the AI system that can perform the complete the task. So instead of answering the single question, AI agent can create a plan, break a task into the smaller steps. They can call the external tools, search the database, they can write a code, read the document, even remember the previous words and continue until the task is completed. So this is very different from the chatbot. So an AI agent behave like digital teammate, okay. So it doesn't just respond, it's give the reasons, it act, it also complete the workflow. So let's compare all these three. So let's say so let's compare this by using the simple example, okay. Suppose you ask to prepare the business report. So with the prompt engineering, the AI simply write the report, okay. And in the context engineering, the AI first read your company document, just previous report, they can also brand the guidelines and also check the relevant data, then the generate the much better reports. Now we are talking about the ascent engineering. So the AI plans the work, collect the required information, analyze the data, create the different chart, and then he write the report. So now even all the emails, for the review if the system allow those actions. So this is the evolution from the prompt to intelligent agent, right? So best practice of modern AI system. So what should developer focus on today? So first, design the risk context instead of replying on the only prompt. Second is the connect AI to trusted knowledge sources using this RAG, retrieval augmented generations. And third one is the give the AI access to useful tools whenever this appropriate required, right? So and the fourth one is the add the persistent memory so that the system can remember the important information across the session, right? And the fifth is the allow the AI to plan and reason through the complex problem. And the finally is the key human involved for the critical decision where the oversight is important. So this practical help build AI system that are the more reliable and useful. So from this video, the key takeaways here is the simplest way to remember the everything we have discussed till now. So prompt engineering answer the questions. What should I ask? Context engineering answer what should the AI knows, and the agent is the engineering answer what should the AI do. So modern AI system combine all three. This is why the future of AI is not about the writing the better prompt alone. It's about the building the intelligence system with the right context memory tool and the autonomous different capabilities, right? So before closing this video, I hope this video help you to clear the understand between the difference between the prompt engineering, context engineering, and the agent engineering. So if you found this video very useful, so please like the video, share with your friend, and also subscribe the Think Lab by Saurabh for the more content on the artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning, and the AI agents. So thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Happy learning.